Mr. Helly here. I know you were interested in another Benny video. I thought you would benefit from a little bit of backstory here. You see, Mrs. Helly and I, that we have a song that's been our song ever since we started dating, which is the Ed Sheeran song "Thinking Out Loud." And so, because of that, Mrs. Helly's ringtone for me when I call her is this song. Every time Benny hears it, he starts howling. And sometimes when I call her, she'll just let it ring so he'll howl. So I want to try to show you that today and see what he does. So I'm going to leave the room, I'm going to call the phone, and we're going to see what happens. Works every time. Good job, Benjamin. Now, we're going to attempt this again. We're not going to play it exactly. We're going to see if Benny can pick out the song without any words to it. Okay, here we go. Maybe he needs some words. Darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. Darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. Darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. Oh, looks like we're gonna not make it happen here. Baby, we found love right where we are. Ah, well. Benny. Darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. Baby, my heart is so full 123. Oh, Benny.
Where's his lamb? We need to get his lamb in here. Are you done with the video?
See, bark, 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 see your teeth, see your bark, 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 see your.
Where's his lamb? Mine, where's his lamb? Try your honey song one more time. Sing your Ed Sheeran song one more time.
Darling, I will be loving you till we're 70.
Sing it again.
Darling, I will be loving you till we're 70.
It's coming.
Darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. Darling, I will be loving you till we're 70.
Come on, Ben. Sing it, buddy. Darling, I will be loving you till we're 70.
Baby, we
Found love right where we are. Yay. Good job, Mr. Helly.
Thank you very much, baby.